Hello and welcome to HostedFTP tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to combine your logs into one Excel document. This trick allows you to search and navigate through several of your logs simultaneously. Let's begin. Start by downloading your logs of choice. Using the web interface will allow you to download all your logs through a compressed folder. Extract all the logs to the directory of your choice. Our recommendation would be to use an FTP client such as FileZilla to select and download multiple logs simultaneously. Next, create a folder in the C drive underneath Users and call it Excel folder. Once complete, separate your transfer logs from your login logs and then select, copy, and paste the logs you want to combine into the Excel folder just created. It's important that the folder path is in the C drive underneath the Users folder and has the name Excel folder. This is to ensure that the script provided below works correctly. Once complete, open a blank Excel document. Click File and go to Options. Click on Customize ribbon and then enable Developer located on the right-hand side. Click OK to complete the change in options. Once this is done, you will notice a new tab called Developer. Click on the Developer tab and find Visual Basics and select this workbook. In the Editor field, copy and paste the following script provided in the page below the video. Please note the importance of the folder path. If the folder does not exist within the correct path, the script will not work. Finally, click the Run button to populate the new Excel document with the files inside the folder we created. Now, by using one giant Excel worksheet, we can filter and search for specific users and view all the transfers or logins conducted by this user. Visit www.help.hostedftp.com for additional help, tutorials, articles, and support resources. Use our live chat to talk to a representative, or email support@hostedftp.com for your business inquiries. Thank you so much for watching, and on behalf of everyone here at HostedFTP, we want to thank you for choosing us as your service provider.